Hi, I'm Mike from Michael's Motor Cars, located in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And today, this is one of the days I really love about my job. I'd like to take you along on a very fun car. Please take the time and watch all three videos that we're creating on this car. We just finished a cold start video, so you can see it starting up cold, see its oil pressure. And we will do a showroom video right after this, where I'll talk about the build on this car and the overall condition of it, which is quite high. But the purpose right now is just to show you that everything is working on the car, how the car feels, how it drives, the car drives incredible. The short story, it is a Factory 5. It's a Mark III. It has a big block Ford crate motor from Ford Racing. It's a 460. It's a Tremec 5-speed, and it's a strong running, well-built car. So let's start it up, and then I'll show you all the things that are working here. Fuel pump started. Tachometer is working properly. Over here, the speedometer and odometer are working. 4,000 miles on the car, although the engine was just going over, so the engine is a fresh build. Water temperature is perfect, sitting right there at 190. This is oil temperature. It's coming up a little bit. It has to be a hotter day, really, for that to come up. Fuel gauge. Here's our oil pressure, which is excellent. The car is fully warm right now, and we're running about 60 pounds. Battery charging. This is the auxiliary electric cooling fan, which works. These are the wipers, which of course work. And this car is equipped with a heater, which is really nice. So this does function on the car. So let's go for a ride. And since the motor was recently gone over, I'm not going to rev it really high. There's no need to. It's a very strong car. It's exactly what you would expect with a well-tuned big block in a car as light as this is. The car was very well built. Steering, suspension are all excellent, very well dialed in. There's fourth gear, and then there's fifth. Very strong car. We're in fourth gear right now. Straight down the road, very stable. So if you're thinking about a Cobra and you want a really meticulous build that was really well executed, and the car is just beautiful and it really drives well, take a look at this one. It's a good one. Thanks for coming along on the ride.